Are you looking for Photoshop document editing service? Don't worry, Tunor Digital Agency is here to help you. We provide high accuracy and reliable Photoshop document editing service for your needs. No problem if your document is PDF, PNG, JPG, or any other formats. We can edit also if the document is scanned. In today's video, I am showing you a live demo of editing a scanned document. Scanned document is basically an image of a document. Many online tools and modern AI tools can't edit a scanned document. They can't match the exact font sometimes. Also, they ruin the backgrounds and make the document looks unprofessional. We do a 100% manual Photoshop document editing service to make it look original and perfect. We carefully match everything from the document, like font color, font size, opacity, etc. Also, we add some effects on the edited text, like blur, noise, shadows, outer glow, etc., to give it a scanned look and make the document professional. We know that document editing is not only just changing texts, it's all about to give the document a new life. That's why we focus on quality, not quantity. I will show you a before-after preview at the last of the video to make your trust. Also, if you're worried to give us any projects, give us a small task to test our service quality. We are confident about our service. We keep our customers' documents 100% confidential. So if you're searching for professional Photoshop document editing service, then your search stops here. Visit tunor.com or contact us directly on WhatsApp or Telegram for a professional Photoshop document editing service. The numbers are given in the description box. Tunor Digital Agency.